How to delete Wi-Fi history on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to delete the Wi-Fi history, what you can do is just simply go and tap on the Wi-Fi. After that, just scroll down and tap on the additional settings. Then you can see the option of manage saved networks. Just tap on it. And here you'll be able to see all the connected networks over here and your Wi-Fi history. So if you want to delete any of this, you can just tap on it and you can see the option of forget network. Tap on forget network and it's deleted. The next step is go to the settings of your device. Now after going to the settings, just tap on connection and sharing and then scroll down and you can see the option of reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Tap on it and then tap on reset settings at the bottom of the screen and all your Wi-Fi history on Android will be deleted. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.